This tastes so good. It tastes fire, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make Starbucks medicine ball. The first time I tried their medicine ball, yeah, it was fire. And I believe it gave me that little kick. You know, the medicine ball is for whenever you're not feeling well. So, yes, this is something that you may want to try as well to boost your immunity or give you a kick whenever you're not feeling good. So, okay, you are going to need some water. I got some purified water. Got my honey, the Tivana J Citrus Mint, and the Tivana Peak Tranquility. So you will need these two, just one of each. And you will also need some type of peppermint. You can't use a regular peppermint candy, but I saw these at the Dollar Tree, which is the soft sticks. So I am going to put one of them in each one of these cups. I will be making two because I'm going to make one for me and my mom. I make this drink just about every day. If I don't go to Starbucks, I make it myself. But if I'm out and near our Starbucks, then I'll go ahead and make them. Yes, my hands are clean. So I'll start by putting my peppermint sticks in each one, and then I am going to add some water. I'm gonna kind of fill it up to the top almost. You can use tap water too. Whatever you want to use will be fine. So we're just gonna fill this up almost to the top. I'll drink the rest of that later. And then we are going to take one of these. This is how it looks. And it smells good too. This smells just like peaches, but you can kind of see the contents on the inside. And then we're just gonna kind of pounce that in somewhat so it can soak in. See how much I've been using these, y'all. I'm almost out. I'm gonna have to go and get some more. I had got these from Walmart, but while I was at Myers the other day, I did see that they had them on sale for like $4 and something. So these were like $5 and something at Walmart. So if you want to go ahead and check out Myers, that's my fave at the moment. You can check out Myers and get it for like $1 cheaper. And this is what this looks like. This smells good too. See all the contents in there. So we're gonna pounce that in there too. Put one of each inside of there. Put that on top of the other one so we can somewhat and get soaked. So whenever I had first tried this at Starbucks, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta figure out a way how to make this and show you guys as well. And I promise you, y'all, it's gonna taste just like it. I promise it's gonna taste just like it. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do is add our honey. I got this at Myers as well. Gonna add our honey. I like to add a lot in there. gonna stick our tops on top of that. I got these nice little cups at Wally World, black marble. They may have them on sale right now, but that's exactly where I got them from. Move these things out the way. And I believe I'm gonna put this on 3 minutes. Let's get it nice and warm. You know what? I think I'm gonna put it on 4 minutes just to make sure because of the amount of water that we have in there. So let's go ahead and put that on 4 minutes, and I'm gonna clean up my mess and we'll be back. Okay, y'all, my tea is still in the microwave, but let me give y'all a quick tip. Make sure you guys watch my other immunity tea, because one thing that you can do is add in that immunity tea in with this one, and it's a great kicker, and I promise you it tastes wonderful. In other words, it tastes fire. Yes, fire. That tea mixed with my other immunity tea gives you that extra boost. It has a great taste and give you that refreshing warm sensation whenever you drink it. So make sure you guys watch my other immunity booster tea. It's very easy to make. You can get everything at Myers, and it doesn't cost that much either. And it will be a great kicker and immunity booster during these times that are coming up, which is going to be cold, guys. We need to stay warm, keep our immunity boosted, as well as just keeping ourselves up. So make sure you guys watch that video. And also I do have some other videos on how to make other drinks, but in a second the tea will be done and we'll finish that out. Alright, y'all, our tea is done, so let's go ahead and get that out of the microwave. Alright, let's open these. So I'm just gonna get a napkin and put these down. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a spoon and I'm going to lift this up, and we are just going to stir in the contents down there to get everything mixed up, because if you don't stir it, and then you won't get the full taste. So you want the honey plus the peppermint to be stirred up to where it can be mixed together, and you'll get that great taste from it. So give me a second. Y'all see how this looks? Okay, that is how it's looking so far. It'll be like a little pinkish. I don't know if you guys can see that yet. If it sits for a while, then you'll be able to get a chance to view that. So let's do the little tester, see how this tastes, and if I need to add any more honey, because you can make it as sweet as you want it. So let's taste this, you guys. This tastes so good. It tastes fire, y'all. My peppermint is still a little bit hard, so I'm gonna let this sit some more, but it tastes excellent now. And so whenever I see that my peppermint has melted all the way, I will stir that again, and then it will be completed. But right now it tastes so fire as well. But that's pretty much it on how you make the medicine ball from Starbucks. These are the 2 teas that they use. Add you some honey and some peppermint in there. Y'all, I promise y'all it's gonna be just like it. Just what you need for this winter. Fire, y'all. But thank you for watching. Please come back to see me. I will try to upload more videos. Check out my other content. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave those down below. I will be sure to answer those. But make sure you make your own medicine ball. It'll be way cheaper than going to Starbucks every single day, but every once in a while you can be like me. I go and get one while I'm out because I just have a taste for it. But come back and see me again. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.